Hi, Chef Alan here with Global Sugar Art with my new 2-minute tips and tricks. And today we're going to be talking about coloring buttercream. A lot of people write to me and ask, how can I get a dark blue or a dark red? There's a couple tricks that I want to show to you that will work really well. So I've started off with 6 ounces of buttercream in 2 containers. So we're talking about the same amount of product. And I'm just going to drop 3 drops of coloring. There was 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. So they have about the same amount of coloring. To one of them, I'm going to add about 1/8 of a teaspoon of lecithin. And lecithin, it's sort of like thick corn syrup. Lecithin is an emulsifier. What an emulsifier does is it combines the fat from the icing, the butter or the shortening that you're using, with the water-based food coloring, and that will help darken it. So I'm just going to quickly mix these up. So just with the 3 drops of food coloring, that's one color. Now we'll do the 3 drops of food coloring and the lecithin. Now you can already see the difference in color. One is just a little bit darker than the other. Now the other trick is to now let these sit for 24 hours. You can leave them in the refrigerator or you can leave them out on the counter covered. The idea is that you have just oxidized this icing. You have added air and oxygen into it, and that will help deepen the colors. So if you really want to make nice deep colors like deep reds for Valentine's or Christmas, or a really dark navy blue, make sure you use enough color, add a little bit of lecithin, and let it sit overnight. Thanks for watching, and remember, the best deals and the best prices are shopping direct at globalsugarart.com. Thanks for watching.